Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Rainbow Runner. Welcome back to another episode of Railfanning. We're in Gilbert again, another night, yeah, so I believe today is January 26th of 2022. An outbound train is heading our way. Yeah, my last Railfanning, I believe, was when I filmed alongside not only Arizona Railfanner, aka Austin, but I also filmed alongside my friend Joel Johnson, aka JJ Rick Studios. All right, so yeah, outbound train is coming our way. Yeah, we're at Gilbert Road, of course. So let me zoom in. I see it off in the distance. Of course, we're having a green signal showing right there. I'm going to film from the northeast corner of the tracks. Okay, now the train is passing or about to pass Cooper and Guadalupe because I hear the horns blaring. Don't know how many cars are going to make it across the tracks. Okay, I'm sure all of these cars are going to have a couple cars like pulling out of that area right there, and some more cars heading down Gilbert Road. And keep in mind, of course, it's supposed to be 25 miles an hour, the speed limit in downtown Gilbert. So yeah, so I guess I'll try my best to see what locomotives are on this train. I think probably just after it passes the bridge, the pedestrian bridge at the trail, that's when it'll trigger the crossing signals. All right. That. Okay, we had a Mustang coming through. You're gonna make it in time. I don't know about that car, maybe. That looks like a Challenger. A Dodge Challenger. All right, and the gates have activated, and these cars are gonna stop. Here it is. Okay, now the gates on Elliott are activating too. We got a few hopper cars at the VA, but now we're getting tons of tank cars. done yet. Looks like it said like party on that last car, but yeah, loads and loads of short hopper cars right at the end of the train. All right, and the gates have deactivated. Green signal up at McQueen. And then I'll let you watch the gates on Elliott rise. And of course, the signal right there is still holding red. And yeah, you can see the end of train device flashing. All right, if I stick around long enough, the signal will turn off, but I won't bore you guys. So I think I'm going to end this video here. So yeah, once again, thank you everybody for watching. And Rainbow Runner's going to be heading out once again. See ya.